Okay, we are ready. Very late in the day. It's like what, 3 o'clock? We weren't actually going to go out, but now we decided to go to old side of Dubai. And we've got ready, and now we're gonna head off, and I'll show you my outfit. So this is my outfit. So I've got an off-the-shoulder flary top with cargo pants, white trainers, and he's wearing a black blazer with a floral white top and jeans and matching trainers. But yeah, so that's the plan. So we're gonna head on down, last day, and we'll see how things go. Yeah?
Let's go.
For daily बढ़िया. Beep.
दोनों दे कर लो 30 आ दे दो
दोनों ने 50 ने 45 दे
40 तक दे दे
सॉरी ओके आधा कार्टून
है सिल्वर है वो गोल्ड है बढ़िया देखना पड़ेगा
कितना है
Right guys, so basically we're at Mall of the Emirates, and we went to old side of Dubai. It was like a whole, like I told you guys, it was all last minute, and then we literally just ate Starbucks and Costa. We were literally starving, so now...
Old Dubai no ki kehande oda ki naam se oda Bur?
Old Dubai?
Nahi, Old Dubai nahi, Bur kuch da naam se biju aur
yeah. Right, so now I need to go to the toilet, so you need to find that. We just legit just want to go home now. We're just so tired, like we just want to go home, pack, sort stuff out,
yeah,
just
finally
chill.
we go to home tomorrow. So tired, homesick.
He's starting to get homesick. He just wants to go home.
Homesick का मतलब ये ना मैं कब याद करता हूँ
करता ना
इंडिया में हूँ
अच्छा
हाँ हम इंडिया में हूँ मिस करता हूँ
सच्ची so he's getting
चलिए इंडियन चलिए
oh my god
एकदम
नहीं
आप में है क्या आपका कहने का अंदर चार की जहाँ फूड फ्लाइट है
right okay so we're gonna go and yeah that's what the situation is. Hey guys, okay so yesterday we came back to the hotel, sorted out all our suitcases and legit just sat down and had dinner. yeah, that's basically what we did. And now today's our last day, so we have to go back to England. Do not look forward to it because I just don't like England. I just don't like it. Basically, I don't want to go back. But yeah, so it is currently 11 o'clock, so we've got up, got ready, we've had breakfast, we went downstairs and had breakfast, and we came back up and just finished off a couple of things. And yeah, so that's basically what we've done. Our suitcases and luggage is all done, phone's just charging, laptop's just there, I need to pick up. Apart from that, everything else has been packed and it's all ready, and we're ready to go. We're getting picked up at 1 o'clock, but we have to check out by 12. So George is just going to the toilet, so I'm thinking that if we leave here by 11:30, we can go to the beach for like an hour and a half, and then by the time we get back to the hotel, our transport should be on its way and we should be ready to be picked up, kind of thing. So yeah, that's what the situation is. So there's our luggage all packed and ready to go. Yeah, so that's our luggage. And my outfit for the flight, I've got my white dustard, I've got a New Look men's oversized hoodie, long line, and then my sister got me these leggings, and I've got my Fenty trainers on. So it's just because these trainers are really easy to walk in, so that's why I wear these, and it's just like comfy clothing because I don't want to stress. And if I'm going out and it feels like it's too hot, then I'm just going to take this hoodie off because I got like a white top, black top underneath. So yeah, that's what the plan is. Yeah. Oh yeah, just to show you guys my backpack properly, because I know some of you may ask. So that's my backpack. It's quite small, but you can get so much in there. Like we've managed to just carry this and get everything that we needed in here. So apart from my laptop, everything else fits, so it's a good size. But yeah, I got this from TK Maxx, so I can't remember what brand it is, some brand, but I got it with a good deal, so you know. And I was trying to look for something like this, but they've stopped doing like embroidery backpacks, which is a bum because by the time I wanted one, I didn't get the chance to get one, but this is what I've got now. So yeah, that's my travel one. And yeah, I'll show you guys the last view, and that's it. Oh, that's the last view that we're gonna see. Just look at that sea. There's a lot of construction work going on, which is a bit annoying, but if you look at this side, it's a bit better. So yeah, but yeah, we might go down that beach down there. It's like a 2-minute walk, so yeah. And then you got the swimming pool down there. We have not even had the chance to even go down there. We were going to yesterday, but then we ended up going to outside of Dubai. But yeah, that's our view. The cranes are killing it, but at least one side's good. So yeah. Motu.
Oh, Motu, tu Motu, man, Motu.
Right guys, so we're basically walking back to the hotel. We just spent some time at the beach and we saw like a ton of people skydiving and doing like water sports, which we will be doing eventually because we've booked everything. So it won't be in Dubai, but it'll be somewhere else. But yeah, so we're walking back to the hotel. Transport's supposed to pick us up at 1, and this way.
There is crossing, you know.
So yeah, transport's picking up us at 1 and we're going back to the hotel. Everything's packed, done, dusted, been checked in, but yeah, that's what the plan is. But I'm gonna miss Dubai. Will you miss Dubai? Will you miss Dubai?
Dubai? Miss Dubai? Oh, yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Little bit. Now I miss home, not Dubai. When I am in England, then I will miss Dubai. Maybe.
He's homesick. But yeah.
करूँगे थोड़ा सा
नहीं.
मोमो नहीं है मोमो ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੁੱਕ ਕਰਿਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ
Yeah, ਇਹ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ.
पूरा पलटी जाना टिकट ना भाई भी अपने ट्रेन लंघ जो प्लेन लंघ जा अपना
नहीं प्लेन लंघ जा
ਜੇ ਲੰਘ ਗਿਆ ਫਿਰ
ਆ ਦੇਖ ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ कि 20 to 8 पे जाना हाँ 8 ट्रेन है
1 to 24 का 22 कितना
Train is passing. You should
Right guys, I forgot to finish the vlog basically from traveling. We got back, we landed at 8 and we got back to my house by 10 I think, and then we went to sleep at like 12, so we were like tired because according to the time there it was like there was like a huge difference. So yeah, we just legit just knocked out I think, and then today I've just like sorted out everything, like yeah, suitcase wise, unpacked everything, so it's all sorted, ready to go for the next trip whenever that is. And yeah, so basically came back and just tried to unwind and get back to reality, because obviously the life there and here was like completely different. There's a huge contrast, but there was a lot of similarities as well. So yeah, that's what we've done. And then what else was the situation? Yeah, we didn't get vegetarian food again, so yeah, we were starving most of the journey, but we ended up getting stuff from duty free this time, whereas on the way there we didn't even get time to do that. So that's what we've done. And what else did we do? I think that's about it. Yeah, so it was a good flight back, exhausted. I managed to edit some of the vlogs, so yeah, well, hopefully they'll be up eventually. Yeah, so we'll see when they go up. What else was I gonna say? Yep, I'm bursting with new ideas, so you guys stay tuned, because I'm gonna be back properly this time. You know, keep it going, keep it flowing, and we'll get the content flowing as well, and hopefully my confidence will get better and better on camera. So yeah, that's what the situation is. Yeah, so if you liked any of my vlogs, like, comment and subscribe if you haven't, because you need to, because I'm going to bring up more content and more vlogs and more trips hopefully. Well, I know there's one coming up. Apart from that, keep, you know, what's the word, keep watching. But yeah, until next time, stay fearless and keep going. Bye.